Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Khalida Begum Babli, Assistant Teacher in English of Atifal Uccha Madhyamik Bidyalay, Kiraniganj, Dhaka. Today I am going to teach you about question tags and see how a statement get the emphasis on this answer. Okay, let's start. Just have a look at the statements. She is pretty. She is pretty. Yes, if I want to ask somebody's opinion on it, I have to make changes in the statement. What changes can I make here? I can add a small question tag at the end of the sentence. It is important to remember a question tag is always made up with an auxiliary verb and then a pronoun, and this pronoun will always be related to the subject that I am using in the main statement. Okay, let's start changing this. She is pretty. Now, first thing that you have to know is whenever you are adding a question tag, you have to remove the full stop. You have to remove the full stop and put a comma there. Remove the full stop and put a comma here. Okay. Next, you have to add the same auxiliary verb that is used here. Here the auxiliary verb is. Okay. Now look here. She is pretty. She is pretty. At first, I am going to add here an auxiliary verb. What we can see in the statement, we see is the auxiliary verb here. So we add this is here. Okay, this is will move here. Okay, this is turn or this is going here. The next thing that I am going to pick this subject here. She. This subject will go here as it is she. So we use this she here, and these two parts will make my question tag. Okay, and at the end of the question tag I will always add a question mark. I will always add a question mark at the ending part of the sentence. Okay, without a question mark it is impossible to make a question tag. You always remember it. Now, one point that you have to remember is that a positive statement will always take a negative question tag, where as a negative statement like this, he hasn't yet shifted to Dhaka, this is a negative statement. Like this will always take a positive one. Let's see how to do it. All these one by one. She is pretty. This is will go here, and this subject also go here. But what we see, this statement is positive. So the question tag will always be negative. So we add here negative word, that is not. We also, this is will turn here isn't, but we never say it is not. We never say is not. Okay, always we use here contracted form, that is isn't. Understand the students? I think all of you get a clear idea. This is will become isn't. This is will become isn't, and always use the contracted form in a question tag. Question tag in the contracted form in this sense that we never use is not. Okay, we never use is not, are not, will not. Okay, we just use contracted form like isn't. Remember it, it is very important for the question tag. So let's see this. This is pretty. Isn't she? And then I have to put a pronoun she. So it will become isn't she. It is positive statement, but this question tag is negative. Because it is positive, we make it negative, and if it will be negative, then it obviously will be positive. Now we go to the next example. You are going to the market. What do we have to change here? Remove full stop. We just remove this full stop. Okay, put a comma here. After removing full stop, we put a comma here. Then take an auxiliary verb. Then we take an auxiliary verb here from the main statement, and the auxiliary verb here we can see is are. Okay, now we take this are here, and we also see this statement is positive. So with this are we add here not word. Okay, this will turn into aren't. We can't use are not, we have to use aren't. And then next step I have to take the pronoun. Okay, so I write down you. The pronoun here is you, and so I write down you, and after writing you I put a question mark. Now go to the next one. Okay, the next one is he hasn't yet shifted to Dhaka. He hasn't yet shifted to Dhaka. Now this is a negative statement, you see, and already I told you that a negative statement will always have a positive tag, and a positive tag always have a negative tag. Look here. Okay, hasn't is a negative word. Hasn't is a negative word, so we make a positive tag here. We can't use here negative tag. Okay, now we just remove this comma and remove this full stop and put a comma, then has, and after has we add here the pronoun he. After writing pronoun at the finishing stage, we put a question mark here. Has he? He hasn't yet shifted to Dhaka. Has he? This is all for today. Thanks for watching, and practice this grammar more and more at your home. And stay home, stay safe.